Which softbox do you use when you want to shoot a cool photo? In this video, in order to take a cool photo of a woman, I'll show you the differences in light quality between a large round softbox and a small round softbox with light coming from above. First, we aim the light from above at the large round softbox. This time, we use a softbox with a 150 cm diameter called a 4x larger 150. We are using a steady century stand and pressing a weight so that it will not fall. We put the softbox as close as possible to the subject. And we have the subject sit just behind the softbox. The softbox is large and the subject is close to it, so the soft light from above gently hits the subject and it is very nice. The subject is far from the background, so the background drops to a nice gray color. Next, we aim the light from above to the small round softbox. This is a 70 cm diameter softbox called Godox parabolic softbox. In the same way, we have the subject be as close as possible to the softbox. In this case too, we will have the subject sit just behind the softbox. Because this softbox is small, the light is harder than before and the contrast is higher. The larger softbox from before also looked nice, but this time it looks a bit more unique. When taking a cool photo like this, I personally prefer the small softbox. The background is also darker than before, becoming dark gray and cool. Lastly, to make the shadows under the face brighter, we place a large white reflector board. The shadows brighten just a bit and the woman looks even more pretty. Any pose will look good with this lighting. Everyone, please give it a try.